So I'm here with Paul, the owner of this beautiful Powerstroke. So can you kind of tell us what your experience was with FASS and kind of your experience so far?
Well, my name's Paul. I'm a local Houstonian here with STP Diesel at Lone Star Showdown 2023. I bought the truck in late 17, built the truck, had the stock fuel system on, and the stock fuel system failed on me 2 times. The second time it failed, Benito with STP told me that I should look into some FASS system, a little more protection than the stock fuel system is. I went ahead, purchased the FASS. They got it installed for me. Ran it for about a year or so, and went out to dinner one day and got in the truck, started it up. It rolled out of the parking spot and the truck died on me. Tried to start it back up, it went into limp mode. So I had the truck towed to the shop, STP Diesel here in Houston. We dropped the fuel filters, and the fuel filters look like a michelada, and a little piece of rubber in there. Well, the filter stopped it from getting through and damage any other components. Luckily, we dropped the fuel tank, cleaned it, fuel tank, and put the new fuel filters back on the FASS system, and we started it up and I drove home. I didn't have to replace anything. About a year and a half later, I was headed out of town. My aunt's husband had passed. I took my mother up there. On the way home, we didn't have any choice. We had to pull over and get some fuel at a local station. I got the fuel, and on the way home, I had the same issue again. Wasn't sure what really happened. Luckily, I got the truck limped home, got it to the shop, same exact thing. Dropped the filters, dropped the tank, cleaned everything out, got everything put back together, new filters and the tank put back on, and the truck runs fine. I didn't have to replace anything. So the FASS system apparently is shutting the truck off before it is allowing anything up into the fuel system, destroying any of your high-dollar fuel components.